In this video, I will show you how to add a Vimeo video gallery to your Wix website quickly and easily. The first thing that we need to do is open up Elfsight. This is the tool that we will be using to build the widget, and I've linked it in the description below. Go ahead and click on that link and it will take you straight over to this page. This link also ensures that everything connects properly when we embed it. From here, just enter your email into this box to sign up for free, and then on this next page, create your password. Just like that, we are signed up and ready to go. Now, from here, once we are signed up to Elfsight, we should be taken over to this screen right here. So what we want to do is just come up to this search widgets box, and the widget that we are looking for is called the Vimeo gallery. So we can type in Vimeo, and right here we can see the Vimeo gallery widget. So we can go ahead and click into this. And then from here, we can now go ahead and choose one of these templates. So there's a bunch of awesome templates in here, a playlist player, a video list. So go ahead and choose one of these, and then we can click continue with this template. In this content area, this is now where we can go ahead and link up the Vimeo source, the channel, the videos, and everything that we want to add in here. So we can come in here and click on add source. And then all we need to do is go ahead and link the Vimeo URL. So with this example right here, I'll just show you with the one that's already in. We've simply linked the Vimeo URL right here, and then it's taken in this channel, and it's now showing all of the channel videos that are on here. We can then come down here to the gallery title, and we can choose if we want this title at the top, or we can just delete this and we can get rid of this. We can also choose the language, of course. We can choose the way that these videos are sorted. And then we can come down to the layout, and in here we can choose how this is going to look and the layout that we would like to go with. Then we can come down to the settings, and in here we can play around with how this looks, like how many columns are in here, how many rows are in here. And then coming back here, we can then go to the header settings, and this is the header right here. So we can turn this on or off. We can choose what elements are going to be in this header and which aren't going to be. We can do the same with the videos right here. So for example, we could go ahead and turn off the duration, and now the duration is going to be turned off. Finally, I wouldn't really play around with the gallery width actually, as this is already set perfectly. Then we can come to the playback area, and in here we can choose when somebody clicks on one of these videos, what is going to happen in here. Is this going to show us a pop-up, a player just like this? Is this going to show inline so people can just watch the videos right here? Or is this actually going to take them over to Vimeo, over to the exact video source when they go ahead and click into this? So we can set that up. We also have some pop-up settings to play around with in here. And then finally, we can come down to the style area where we can change the background color of this entire section, just like this. We can also change the text color, and we can change the accent color as well. Now, once we have this all created and we are ready to add this to Wix, we just want to click on this publish button, and then Elfsight is now going to give us this choice of plans. Now, the plan I would recommend going for is this free plan, as this will allow us to get everything set up for free. And then later down the line, if you do want to upgrade to one of these paid plans, if you want access to more widgets, or if you want access to more website views, you can upgrade to one of these later on. But for now, we just want to click on this free plan. Once this has been selected, Elfsight is going to give us this piece of code, and this code is how we are going to add the Vimeo gallery to our Wix website. So we just want to click on copy code right here, and then we can come over to Wix. And inside of Wix, this is essentially now just copy and paste. So all we need to do is find whereabouts on the website we want to add this. I'm going to add mine right here underneath this top section. So we can add a section where we would like to show the gallery, and then in here, we select add elements. It's then going to open up this add elements bar. So we want to come down here to embed code, go to embed HTML, and then we can add this to the site. Once this is added, we then just click into this box and paste in the code that we just copied. And then once we click on update, just like that, the Vimeo gallery is going to be added. So we can now go through and we can stretch this out to make sure that everything is visible and it all fits within this section. So we might need to make this section a little bit bigger, just like that. And there we go. We now have this fit in. And that is how you can add a Vimeo gallery to your Wix website.